Welcome to Algebra Mastery in just 40 seconds. Quick and easy tricks with Matthys Tutors. Struggling with algebra? In this video, we'll reveal simple tips to master algebra fast. Here we go. 1. Simplify expressions. Group terms with the same variable and combine like terms. 2. Follow PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Solve step by step. 3. Factor. Find common factors and use the distributive property. 4. Solve for variables. Use inverse operations to isolate the variable. Subtract for addition, divide for multiplication. 5. Keep equations balanced. Whatever you do to one side, do the same to the other. 6. Tackle word problems step by step. Read carefully, define variables, translate into equations, simplify, solve, and answer the question. Practice these tricks regularly to become an algebra prodigy. Subscribe for more math tips. Happy problem solving!